What's the meaning of Asda? Asda. Asda.
Asda. Asda. Asda is a British supermarket chain that was founded in 1949. The name Asda originally stood for Associated Dairies, but the company has since moved beyond its dairy origins to sell a wide variety of goods, including groceries, clothing and household items. Asda is now owned by Walmart and operates over 600 stores across the United Kingdom. The company is known for its low prices and commitment to providing affordable products to its customers. Asda has also been involved in various community initiatives aimed at supporting local charities and organizations.